Let me ask you something. Is your disclosure process still stuck in spreadsheets, manual edits, and endless email threads? If so, you're not alone. Every year, finance and compliance teams around the world face the same challenge: compiling complex reports under pressure, juggling spreadsheets, and managing last-minute changes from disconnected departments. Sounds familiar? Despite advances in technology, many organizations still rely on manual disclosure processes. These systems are fragile, prone to error, and heavily dependent on individuals. A missing update, a late submission, or an inconsistent number can trigger serious compliance issues. With regulatory demands increasing and reporting timelines tightening, the margin for error has all but disappeared. But what if there was a better way? What if your disclosure process could be collaborative, automated, and always audit-ready? Introducing Collaborative Disclosure Management, a solution designed for the modern finance team, built to simplify, automate, and accelerate the end-to-end disclosure process. With real-time collaboration, your teams can work together across departments and time zones on a single version of the truth. Everyone sees the same data. Everyone stays in sync. Manual copy-paste, outdated versions, gone. Automated updates ensure your reports are always accurate, always consistent, because your numbers come straight from the source. Better still, Collaborative Disclosure Management integrates seamlessly with the tools you already use: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, eliminating the learning curve and empowering your teams to get started fast. Every change, every comment, every approval, tracked and logged automatically. That means full transparency, effortless compliance, and fewer sleepless nights during audit season. Here's what you gain with Collaborative Disclosure Management: real-time teamwork, automated data refresh, seamless Microsoft Office integrations, built-in compliance controls, faster reporting cycles, reduced risk of errors. Disclosure management doesn't have to be stressful, fragmented, or manual. It's time to adopt a smarter approach. If you find this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.